Hello, everyone. How are you? Um, this is going to be just a quick video. I see I have some new subscribers. I haven't forgot everybody, but this is just to let you know. I'm packing up. I'm getting ready to move, but next month, December, I'll be doing a little more live videos because I'll be on my, I'll be, home and be on my, laptop, and I'll be able to stream more videos. And I'm going to stream, I think the first one I'm going to stream is I'm going to stream how to prepare salmon croquettes, because I'm going to teach my son how to make salmon croquettes. I think that's what I'm going to do. If he is willing to participate in it. But anyway, I'm going to post that. And I got some other things to do, but I got to make this, I got to complete this move, and I should have it by the end of this month. I'll have it, and I'll say by the 3rd or 4th of December, I should be where I'm going. I should be back up north where I'm going. But, to all those who just subscribed to me, I want to say thank you. Thank you very much. And I'm going to make, like I said, I'm going to make more videos. Oh, excuse me. I'm going to make many more videos, but I'll do it. I'm going to do it, once I get settled where I'm going. I hate moving, but this will be over. It's like when you stay somewhere like 3, 4, 5 years, you don't know how much junk you got until you pull out. Every time you pull out a bag or you open up something, it's more junk. I got so much stuff in my kitchen. I gave some away, and I still got enough to do another 2 kitchens. But anyway, like I'm saying, once I get where I'm going, I will be making more videos. I'll be making cooking videos with my daughter. I'll be taking and, just speaking on things that, speaking on things that are of concern to me. And I understand that December 10th, YouTube again is changing their terms of agreement, and it keeps telling me to read it, which I will read. But I knew they were going to change it, and it's due to conspiracy theories. That's why they're changing it. And they want to protect children because there's a lot of sex trafficking sites on here, So I've got to see actually what they're talking about and speak with people about it. I don't do those conspiracy theories. I don't, do all of that. I really don't like them, because to me it's like reality TV. I don't do reality TV. I speak on topics that are of interest. One of my topics that I would love to really do an in-depth live on and ask people, with a call-in number and things. But I've got to get settled, get over this move, because I would like to talk about these kids going through the school beating up the teachers. If they're not beating up the teachers, they shooting up the school. I mean, I don't get it. When is everybody going to learn? And I don't get the parents, because 9 out of 10 times, these kids that go in there and shoot up the schools, they are children, I should say, who don't have any accountability, have no accountability whatsoever, zero amount of accountability from their parents. I will say this, I saw a video someone had posted. I don't know who the gentleman was, but it was where a young boy got in the teacher's face, and he literally dared the young lady to hit him, and she was a white lady, and he dared her to hit him. Pretty much, if you really listen to the video, you can see him taunting her and threatening her, and he got more than he asked for. And people were saying she shouldn't have her job. I'm like, I'm glad she got it. I'll be honest with you. I'm glad she got it because this little boy was unruly. He was disrespectful. When her parents and teachers and not teachers, but school administrators gonna hold these young people accountable for their actions? No child has no business up in no adult's face. I don't care. I taught my son that when he was young. If an adult does something or says something to you that you don't like, you do not get in their face because they are not going to take it. They will hurt you. So you come to me and let me handle it. And he's 37, almost 38, until this very day. He will come to me and he will tell me when people do stuff that's wrong to him. You know, he's not disrespectful to people. And he's 38 and he still won't. You know, he still won't. So, like I said, I'm going to make this a short one, but I want to say, hang in there, people. I will be doing more lives once I get my computer and stuff set up, once I move where I'm going. And I may not get back on here before Thanksgiving. If I don't, you all have a joyous and safe Thanksgiving holiday. Later.